All right. So the continuation on part three of outbound AI calls. Okay. So now we're here on our product consent status page. This is where we are creating our initial workflow. Well, not initial, but just a workflow to be able to use the outbound calls. You have to have a trigger before you begin in order for the outbound calls to initiate. So let's do an example of how this would work. So if you're on this page, you'll just click on create workflow now. If not, and if you're starting from scratch, then you'll just click on the menu on the left. You'll just go to automation and then click on the create workflow button in the right, and you'll just hit start from scratch. Okay. Either way, we're going to get to the automation page. So I'm going to click on create workflow now. All right. So now it kicks us over to the automation page. Again, click on create workflow, and then we're going to do start from scratch. Okay. All right. So here we just named this one birthday outbound caller. All right. So you can type in here, this comes with your account. You can type in what type of automation that you want to set up from right here, and it'll automatically create one for you. If you don't want to use this, you can do it from scratch. You'll just click on, we'll scroll down a little bit. You'll click on the add new trigger here, that's right here at the top. And then what we're doing right now is just doing an example of doing a birthday reminder. So if the contact's birthday reminder, we're going to click on birthday reminder here, click on add filters. And then we're going to click on the filter for it. So let's say month is, and then we'll just click on the month. Let's say if it was March. Okay. Um, if you want to add another filter, you can do so as well too. And you could do day is. Um, but the month will also cover it pretty good as well too. That way you're not missing specific days because this makes it very specific. So makes for more automations that you have to make. So this just covers the entire month. So we'll hit save. Okay, so we got that. And then we have the plus button that's right here for the action. Now we're adding the action. Let's type in outbound. Okay, so you'll see it down here where it says voice AI outbound call. Okay, we'll click on that. And then again, here are your instructions. Remember that we went over this in part one, and it reminds you of, how you're supposed to be using these phone calls. Okay. You click on your AI agent that you're calling with. So, of course, you want to make sure that you had AI agent set up. So if you've already did an inbound call, there should be one there. If not, there will be a video on how to set up the outbound AI agent. So, of course, you would click on the agent that's there, and then you click on the phone number that they're calling from. Okay. All right. So I have it calling from the company phone number. This is going to be required, so it's probably not going to let me save it. But you'll save it from here. Okay. Um, all right. So I'm missing my agent, but it's not going to let me save right here. But however, this is actually where you would end the call. So you'll have the voice. This is how you end the workflow by ending it with the call. So you only need two steps for here, just the birthday reminder. The birthday reminder will pop up, and then the voice AI will call based off of what type of birthday reminder that's here. And then that will be the end of it. You'll just hit save. Make sure that you also have publish turned on in order for it to work. Click save, and then that will complete the actual workflow setup for that. And that's how you set up your outbound calling.